Right now, we're going to start with the top 10 questions veterans have with service connected disabilities when they're applying for that. So, the first question that we have here is, how do I apply for VA disability benefits? Okay, how do I apply as a veteran? Ken, if you want to take that for us.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Wonderful question. So obviously, before it used to be this really drawn out mystery on how you'll be able to do so. Actually, needing to go to the regional office to fill out paperwork, pretty antiquated way. But with that, the VA is really, really put out in a space. They've actually ramped up their technological services. So with that being said, you actually can go to va.gov, log in and sign up there. You'll be able to sign up, register for an account. And once you register for an account, at that point, you would, one, be able to fill out your disability claim. Okay. On there, it'll ask you, well, you'll have to go down to the prompt, but it'll ask you, do you want to fill out a disability claim? And with that being said, you can actually make that selection to go ahead and fill out that disability claim. But what I will tell you is that you want to make sure that you're reading all the questions carefully and actually making sure that you're noting all the information throughout the entire application. Then the application, whether if it's a manual application or online, what it is, you need to make sure that you're filling out everything properly. Okay, and the manual application is a form that's called a 21 TAT 526 EZ. Okay, that is the manual form. All right. So you'll need to request this form, fill the form out, complete the form. Once the form is completed, I would advise, just advise to provide any evidence that you have. And at that point, please go ahead and submit your claim.
Absolutely. So they could fill that form out as a paper form, and they could also
Yes.
do that online on their account.
Yes, and when you fill it out manually, you can either one take it down to your local VA regional office to submit it. You can two fax that form, okay, or three you can go ahead and use a good old snail mail and go ahead and mail it off. So there's multiple ways that you can go ahead and submit your claim. So there's again, you can kind of navigate that landscape there yourself. But again, if you have any questions for us, we'll definitely love to assist with that. But my advice, I would probably do it online on the online landscape, but just kind of get you there a little bit faster.
Okay, sounds good.